Need help understanding how to use the convection settings on your Frigidaire range to ensure great baking results? Some ranges have additional settings that feature convection options. Convection circulates the oven's heat with a fan, which you may hear during use. It's great for fast, even cooking and browning results. There are 3 different kinds of Frigidaire convection systems: Quick Bake Convection, True Convection, and Power Plus Convection. Quick Bake Convection uses a fan in the rear of the oven to circulate air throughout the entire oven cavity. Quick Bake Convection creates more even heat distribution for even baking results across all the racks. To set Quick Bake Convection, arrange the racks, press Quick Bake, and select the temperature. The oven will chime when the specified temperature is reached. Quick Bake may reduce cooking time. True Convection uses the same fan as Quick Bake, but adds a 3rd heating element around the fan, placing heat closer to your food for increased browning. If your recipe doesn't specify for convection, preheat with convection bake, then reduce the oven temperature 25 degrees from the recipe's instructions using the minimum cooking time. Check out your use and care guide for recommended rack positions. To set convection bake, arrange racks, press Convect Bake, and select temperature. The oven will chime when temperature is reached. Some True Convection models also feature Convection Convert. This feature automatically converts the convection oven to the ideal cooking time for evenly cooked dishes. Power Plus Convection has 2 fans in the rear of the oven and uses a 700-watt 3rd element, producing even more browning and baking. Convection Roast is best for cooking tender cuts of beef, pork, poultry, and more. Convection Roast cooks faster and reduces cooking times by 25% from the recommended recipe time, so preheating is not necessary. Even with reduced roasting time, it's always best to check your food just in case additional time is needed. To set the oven for Convect Roast, place meat on roasting rack and place in oven. Press Convect Roast and select the desired roasting temperature. There's no need to cover food when using Convect Roast. Don't forget to check out additional convection roasting tips in your use and care guide. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You got this.